Oh, what the heck? Stupid. Movies presents movies by Blockbuster Films. Tornado, the most powerful force in the nature of its own. Oh, the coolest invention was just created, playing your iPad while you are on a bike. You are a genius. I am a genius. Yes, everybody. Nobody thought of the idea. I'd rather play it more still, like this. Oh my god, crap. I'm just gonna phone in. Apple's new product. iPad mini. It's more like iPad mini. iPad mini. iPad mini. Woo-hoo. This is the best. Oh. Okay, now I'm going back down. Quick. So let's see the daily weather on my iPhone. It's let's see. Thunderstorms with high winds up to 8 miles per hour. Anyways, you get to see that. It snapped. Snapped. Not just a fake one. But my iPad says that it's that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know it's not running to 88 miles per hour. It's windy a little right now. Has gone. There's a tree that blown down, got knocked down up the street in the forest. Pretty cool. I thought it was at least. Crap. Are we gonna do this? Everybody do this. Yeah, I did it. Ha. La. And playing my iPad. Oh, okay. My phone. My real phone this time. Whoa. Okay. Oh god. Gotta go now. God. Oh my god. The TV. It says tornado warning. It's okay. It's okay, Joe. It's just a warning. It's fun. Tonight there's gonna be a tornado watch. That means there is a funnel. There's gonna be a tornado warning tonight. So it's not happening. I know it. I just know. Oh. What? Actually, I do see a funnel. That might actually be. Just kidding. Like anyone would believe that. Walk up to someone who said that. No one will believe me. Not at all. There's never tornadoes around here. Phoebe said it might be an E of 5. What? No, I don't believe it. Yeah, I don't believe it. I'm not a believer at all. I'm not a believer. I'm not a believer. I'm not a believer at all. Oh, what's the sound? I'll go to see what it is. Did you hear that?